In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Indeed. Indeed is one of the most widely used job search platforms, connecting millions of job seekers with employers across different industries. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple and smooth way to access your account so you can start exploring job opportunities without any confusion. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in Indeed.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will arrive at the home page, where job search tools and career resources are clearly organized to help you navigate easily. Make sure you are using a stable internet connection so the page loads properly and you can access all features without interruption. At the top right corner of the page, you will see the Sign In option. Click on it to proceed to the login screen, which serves as your entry point to your personal account dashboard. This sign-in area is designed to securely verify your identity before granting access to your personalized job tools and settings. From here, you can access your account using your registered email and password. Alternatively, you may choose a quicker sign-in option by using connected accounts such as Google or Facebook, which allows for faster access while reducing the need to remember additional login details. You may be prompted to allow basic permissions for account setup. Choosing a third-party login option can also help you avoid password fatigue, especially if you manage multiple online accounts regularly across different platforms and services. Once you are signed in, your dashboard becomes available, giving you access to saved job listings, past searches, and application activity. You can update your profile, upload or edit your resume, and begin applying to positions that match your interests. Keeping your profile updated can improve your visibility to employers and increase your chances of being noticed. Regularly reviewing your dashboard ensures you never miss important updates from employers and keeps your job search active and organized. That's all it takes to log into Indeed and get started on your job search journey. The process is quick, secure, and designed to help you reach opportunities with ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.